realize their great vision. And that's not just for scripted cinema on TV, but also for broadcast solutions, for TV shows, for live entertainment.
The product manager for electronic control systems from RF Vienna, Austria. We are here today at the NAB 2023 at the ARRI booth, and we are launching our new product. That's the ZMU4. It's our new Zoom control unit. As its name says, the ZMU4 is a Zoom controller, but of course you can do also other lens controls like an iris motor or focus motor. And as you can see in the setup and configuration I'm showing here, we're using the ZMU4 together with an OC01, our RE8 bracket, and this system forms a 2-axis controller. So we have a zoom control of our Alexa 35 camera with the ZMU4, and we can do an iris control with the OC01. As you can see, we're having all the lens scales on the unit, and it's connected wirelessly. So the ZMU4 is our Zoom controller which can go wirelessly with any of our radio modules. Today we use the RF-EMIP. The RF-EMIP is our standard radio module. It connects to all our cameras and motor controllers, and today it's connected to the Alexa 35 directly. But you can use all the other, our RF 2400, or in future the upcoming RF 900 with it. Of course, the ZMU4 can also be connected wired with our L-bus and CAM cables to the camera. All the configurations are online, and it's pretty easy and straightforward. Designed to do ideally zoom control, so you can in the software tune the zoom curves. We have different motor curves, like a hyperbolic or linear, depending on how smooth you want to start and ramp up the motor and do some soft landing of the motors. It has our force sensitive joystick. You can adjust the sensitivity of this joystick, so it has all the little tricks and treats that you need to do a perfect zoom control. Despite the ZMU4, of course, we're showing our Hi-5 with the new firmware 2.0 together with focus plug integration. So we have our license, we have integrated the focus plug controls on our Hi-5 system. So please have a look at our webpage, have a look at our tech talks, and check our systems out. Thanks for watching, and hoping to see you again soon.